Okay, Lisa, Kevin died painting. I am here at the property, obviously. So we got 1, 2 in here, 2, 3. I did not see one in this room unless it's behind something. Which probably wouldn't be because you got a fireplace in here. 4. Sorry to bore you. You probably know exactly how many you have in here. But for me, I need to know that guy. So is this being replaced in here? Or is that just already taken out? Is that the normal deal? So that's a question. So we've got 4 so far, and no heater in here. That's on. So we got 4 in here. Five in the downstairs bath. 6 down here. I believe that was it. So yes, you were right with your email. Our bid did we did encompass having ceilings done, so the ceilings would be involved, of course. So that's not a big deal. But I did not put the heaters in. So how we do the heaters is we basically, let me find the room with the most light. I'm gonna make you dizzy here throwing my camera around. Sorry, we have a flurry of activity out there right now. We got everything going. So, of course, when I start this process, I do not have my tools on me, and I'm already 2 minutes into a video. So, we're just gonna yank this guy real quick. I'll kind of give you an idea of what we do on this. So, what I do I've done a lot of these. So what we do on this is I take this guy out. I obviously unhook it. I take it out completely, and then what we do is we cap, and then we tape the actual wires together, and we make sure electrical tape so they cannot come unhinged or they come off or what have you. And then we go ahead and we put a piece of a new sheetrock in. Then we tape and float and sand, and then float again, and then sand, and then I texture. So this texture is an orange peel knockdown, which will be a texture that I'll have to use my hopper with a compressor. So I'll texture this, and then what we'll do is we'll do as close as we can to this, and then basically what happens is we end up doing it so it's basically materials and time usually is what we do on these. So I've got 6 of them. So let me put that together. I'll send that over to you today so that I can start on these first thing in the morning. If you guys agree and we're all happy slappy, I can start on it very first thing in the morning, and we can get the party started. And I'm going to take out one now just to measure my drywall and make sure that my drywall is good. But we'll start that whole thing and get that going. I'm also going to go ahead and send you a couple pictures of the cargo and the Oxford Brown. And when you know if the bone seems the right idea, then we will start. I will get that paint here and we will start going. And yes, that does include all walls of velvet or a satin and a semi-gloss on the bathrooms and the kitchen. So yes, that is the case. So we always do that. So that's pretty much standard. So awesome, and I will send this to you and we will talk soon. Thank you.